Good morning, dear students. Hope you all fine, I think. Last class we discussed about factorization. What is factorization? A product of two or more factors, numbers, expressions. Last class we saw four types of factorization. One is common factor from each term. Next, second type, common binomial factor from each term. Third, grouping the terms. And fourth, factorization using the identities. Okay, so in this class we are going to learn next method, next type, that is quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. This is called quadratic polynomial. Why we are calling it as quadratic polynomial? The x power consists the power 2. Okay, so x square means it is a quadratic polynomial. X square plus 5x plus 6 means it is a quadratic polynomial. For example, 3 means it is called cubic polynomial. How can we factorize the polynomial? Easiest one, I write in one example, x square plus 5x plus 6. I already told, for this type of equation or this type of polynomial, you should observe the last term and the first term. Last term should be or in the square number you should go with which identity? A plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. But 6 is not a square number. 6 is not a square number. So, here it looks like ax square plus bx plus c. Here what is the coefficient? Here the coefficient of x square is a. Coefficient of x square is a. What is the coefficient of x? B. C is a constant. So, here x square, what is the coefficient of x square? So, there is nothing means what number is present? 1 is present. Okay, 1 is in the product. So, a equal to here 1. Here b equal to what? 5. C equal to what? 6. The concept is how to find the x square plus 5x plus 6. What are the factors for x square plus 5x plus 6 means? First you observe the coefficient of x square and the constant. First here the coefficient is 1. So 1 into 6. First you write, that means AC. AC is what? 1 into 6. You can find the factors for 6. That is the first step. You can find the factors for 6. What are they? First, 1 into 6. Next, 2 into 3. That's all. 1 into 6. 2 into 3. Which numbers are suitable for this sum? First you observe the factors 1 into 6 or 2 into 3. Which one is suitable for this type of equation or this type of polynomial? You observe, you choose 1 into 6. 1 into 6, 6. But the second condition is, for example, 3, 2. 3 2s are also 6, but it should be the coefficient of x. So 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 3 2s are equal to 6. So this factor is omitted. This factor is omitted. Why we omitted? 1 6 are 6, but the second condition is you should add the factors. 1 plus 6 means you get 7, but we want 5. Okay, so in this way you can find the factors for 6. So the factors is 3 2. Okay, so you write 5x as a x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Here what is the common term? X is a common term. Why? X has a it consists first term x square, in second term x. So x is common. So here 1x plus 3. Here 2x plus 6. Here which one is common? 2 is common. Why? 6 is a multiple of 2. So 2 is common. So x plus what number should be? 3. 2 3s are 6. So we will take 2 as a common. So here 3 should become. Okay. So next step, which one is common? X plus 3. X plus 3 is common. Take it as a common. X plus 3 into x plus 2. So the factors for the x square plus 5x plus 6 is x plus 3, x plus 2. So what are the conditions? First, AC equal to C. That means coefficient of x square into the constant. First you multiply the coefficient whichever may be. Here 2 means first you multiply with the constant, then you get the number. So you find the factors for that number. You should add the factors, you will get the coefficient of x. That numbers only you have to choose. You will get the coefficient of x. For example, I put another example, x square plus 3x plus 2. Observe this quadratic polynomial. Here 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2. What number should become? 3. The sum of the factors, what should become? 3. So that numbers only you have to do. So here product, here addition. Here product, here addition. So here product, here addition. So which are the numbers? 1 2. So 1 2s are 2. Next, sum of the factors 1 plus 2 3. Another example, x square plus 7x plus 10. So 1 into 10 10. The sum of the factors are 7. So if the multiply value is 10, the summation is 7. Okay. So 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So the factors is x plus 5, x plus 2. You can directly, for our higher standard means the step is not needed. For our 8th standard, so you should write the steps. Okay, so the factors are x plus 5, x plus 2. Okay, in this way you can find out the factors for quadratic polynomial. So observe the second sum. So the first step is what is the coefficient of x square? 1. So 1 into 12. So 1 into 12 we will get 12. Okay. Here multiplication. What is the coefficient of x? Minus 7. So the summation of the factors should be minus 7. So you should find the factors. Observe carefully. What are the factors for 12? 1 into 12, that one factor. Next, 2 into 6, that one factor. Next, 3 into 4. That's all. Here, what is the 1 into 12? 12. So we want minus 7. Observe carefully. We want minus 7. First 1 into 12. So it is omitted. 1 plus 12 is 13. Here 2 6 are 12. But 2 plus 6 or 2 minus 6. We will not get minus 7. So it is also omitted here. 3 into 4. So this factor should be 3 into 4. But 3 plus 4 is what? Only 7. But we want a minus 7. So what adjustment is there? What adjustment is there? If you put minus here, if you put minus 3 or plus 4, you will get minus 12. So omitted. If you put minus here, here also 3 into minus 4, 12. So it is also omitted. So the correct way is you should put both minus in the factors. Okay, here also minus, here also minus. So you will get the correct answer. Minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. Minus 3 minus 4, you should add these numbers, you will get 3 4 7, same sign. So you should add put same sign, minus 7. So here also minus, here also minus, then only you will get minus 7. So in this sum the factors are same. The factor signs are same. So minus 3 minus 4. So x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. So we divide the divide into minus 3x minus 4x. Okay. So here x is common, x minus 3. Here we will take minus 4 as a common. Here minus 4 is there. So I will take minus 4 as a common. Already in the last class I told how the minus will take as a common. So here x, here 1 minus I taken. So minus, here 1 minus is there. What is the multiple of 4? Here 3. So 4 3s are 12. So here x minus 3 is common, this one and this one we will take as a common. Next what number is there? X. Here minus 4. So the factors for x square minus 7x plus 16 are x minus 3, x minus 4. Okay. So in this way you should find the factors for this type of polynomial. Third sum, x square minus x minus 30. What is the coefficient of x square? 1. What is the coefficient of x? Minus 1. The coefficient of x minus 1. 1 is that. So the sign is also the coefficient. Okay. So here 30. What is the constant term? 30. You should write the symbol also. Minus 30. 1 into minus 30 minus 30. The summation of the factors should be minus 1. So first don't panic. First you observe the factors for this number. 1 into 30. Next 2 into 15. Next 3 into 10. Next 5 into 6. So these are the factors. First you find these are the factors. Okay. Which factors should be suitable for this question? Okay. First you observe the factors. You add the factors. You will get some idea. 1 plus 30, 31. It is omitted. 2 plus 15. 2 plus 15, 17. So it is also 2 minus 15 also minus 13. So that only that is omitted. Here 3 into 10, 3 into 10, 13. 10 minus 3, 7. So there is no chance. Next 5 into 6. So why sir 5 plus 6 is 11? Why you take 5 into 6? This is also omitted. This is select. Why we choose 5 and 6? The summation of the two numbers should be minus 1. Here I want the product as a minus 30. So one number should be minus. One number should be negative or minus. We should put minus here means you will get minus 5 into 6 what? Minus 30. But at the same time you should add the factors minus 5 plus 6. The summation is the bigger number sign is plus. So you will get plus 1. Here we want a minus 1. So adjust the signs, put minus here, you will get correct answer. 5 into minus 6 minus 30, 5 minus 6 minus 1. So in this way you can find the factors. So you should tell directly the factors x plus 5, x minus 6, but you should write the steps. X square plus 5x minus 6x minus 30. So we write minus x as a 5x minus 6x. Next x as a common, x plus 5. Here minus 6 as a common. So x. So here only one minus is there. So we will take minus 6. So here plus is there. So plus 6 5s are 30. So here 5 is come. So in this step x plus 5 is a common. X plus 5 we will take as a common. Here x minus 6. So the factors for x square minus x minus 30 are x plus 5, x minus 6. So in this way you have to find out the factors for this sum, this type of sum. Okay. So next type, cubic identity. How to find out the factorize for this type of polynomial? You observe the first term or the cube term and the constant term. For this type of factorization, you observe the cube term and constant term. Why, sir? So there is a clue in the x cube term and constant term. What was the clue? The identity. What is the identity? What is the name of this identity? Cubic identity. So it consists cubic number. It consists a cube number. So here, what is the coefficient of x? 1. So 1 cube is 1. So 1 is hiding in the x cube term. So that one of clue. Here 125. 125 is a cube number or not? Yes, it is a cube number. Which cube it is? Yes, 5 cube. 5 cube equal to 125. So in this way you can find out the factors. Okay, here x is here. Here is x is cube. Here what is the cube? 125. 5 is a cube. So observe, what is the formula for a plus b the whole cube? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here a equal to is what? X. B equal to is what? 5. Why? 125 equal to, it can be written as 5 cube. So only I write b equal to 5, or you should write in this way, x cube. So bracket plus, here is 3 is there, x square means x square into b term, b is 5. Plus, in the formula 3 is there, a is x into b equal to is what? 5 square. Y is b square. B cube is written as 125 is written as 5 cube. Observe this identity. It can be written as x cube plus 15x square is splitted into this type of 3a square b, 3a square b. Next 3ab square it is written as 3x 5 square. 125 is written as 5 cube. Why? We written in the a plus b the whole cube formula. Now you can write left hand side. What is the left hand side? A plus b the whole cube. Here is what is the a value? X. What is the b value? Plus x 5. So x plus 5 whole cube. That's all. The factors for this sum is x plus 5 the whole cube, or x plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 5. The factors for this x cube plus 15x square plus 75x plus 125 is x plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 5, or x plus 5 the whole cube. So in this way you can find out which identity it is. Here all the terms are plus, so I choose a plus b the whole cube. In case the last cubic term is minus, you directly go for a minus b the whole cube. Okay, you directly go for the a minus b the whole cube. You should find the easiest way. The clue is the first cube term and the clue is constant term. Then you will easily find out x plus 5 the whole cube. Directly say x plus 5 the whole cube. For examination only this step is important. For the competitive exam you should write x plus 5 the whole cube. In the question itself you can find the answers. Okay, so this is one of the type. For minus means this term, this x square term should be minus, constant term should be the minus. That is the clue for a minus b the whole cube factorized sum. Okay, so observe the sum carefully. Okay. So in this class we have learned the factorization for quadratic polynomial, okay, and factorize for cubic identity, factorize using the cubic identities. If you have any doubt in this class, please contact me. Thank you.